Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's the aftermath of the snowstorm of last night. And here's how much we got. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon the next day. This is from my bedroom window once again. That's the car we're using right now. As you can see, it's completely covered. Our neighbors already plowed their way out. You can see some of the cars haven't moved yet. And the whole middle is completely covered. Big old snowbank right there again. As you can also tell though, it's been plowed. Our driveway along with a couple of other people haven't been even touched yet, so. But yeah, this is the aftermath. Oh, there you go. There's a good idea. That's a swing set for 2 people. And it's like half covered in snow now. And right there, that's like a 6 or 7 foot tall bird feeder. Same with that one. So it also gives you a good idea how much snow there's out there. But yeah, welcome to Vermont.